Strange lights, chilling figures, unexplained encounters. From the shadow of a 10-foot-tall humanoid spotted deep in the Brazilian mountains, to a blazing UFO streaking across the skies of Lancaster and Palmdale, California, and even a glowing green object caught on camera in Tran, these are the moments that left witnesses stunned and the internet buzzing. Are these just hoaxes, or something far more sinister? You be the judge. Here are the 10 creepiest UFOs and beings ever captured on camera. Stay tuned, because the truth may be closer than you think. Number 10. 10 feet humanoid Brazilian mountain. For those who believe UFO and alien sightings are exclusive to the United States, here's a compelling case from elsewhere. Just 1 week after the widely discussed Miami shadow alien encounter in January 2024, witnesses in Brazil reported encountering 2 unusual creatures on a hilltop on an island roughly 2 miles off the southeastern coast. Local hikers who captured the event on video described spotting 2 beings on the mountain, estimating their height to be around 10 feet. This remarkable height was inferred from the fact that the surrounding shrubbery barely reached their knees, a height that would typically cover about half the height of an average person. The beings were then observed descending the hill at an unusually rapid pace, with significantly larger strides indicative of their tall stature. Even Brazil's provincial government acknowledged the video, referring to the figures as strange beings. This raises an intriguing question: could these be the same beings witnessed in Miami during the New Year's celebrations, having now seemingly moved to South America? Number 9. UFO report LaGuardia Airport. Here's the latest entry on our list, a truly startling sighting that occurred just recently in March 2024. On March 25, Michelle Reyes was a passenger on a commercial flight approaching New York's LaGuardia Airport. Like many travelers, she was casually recording a video of the New York City skyline as their plane prepared to land when she suddenly noticed something highly unusual. In her footage, a mysterious and eerie-looking black disc-shaped object can be seen rapidly zooming past her plane from right to left. The dark object appeared to be traveling at an estimated altitude of 2,500 feet above ground level and was relatively close to the aircraft. While the motion was incredibly swift, pausing the footage clearly reveals a UAP that doesn't resemble a drone or any known manned aircraft. Let's observe the footage in real time. Even accounting for the plane and the object moving in opposite directions, the UAP's speed appears tremendous, akin to that of a fighter jet. Currently, no commercially available drones can achieve such speeds in flight. Immediately after recording the encounter, Michelle Reyes contacted the Federal Aviation Administration to report what she had witnessed. However, the FAA remains uncertain about the identity of the mysterious black disc. Notably, this isn't the first instance of a UFO being observed in close proximity to an airport. Number 8. Chicken Dance 2019. You've likely encountered this now viral video, a bizarre clip seemingly showing an alien creature performing an odd dance in front of a house. The footage was reportedly captured by a local woman's home security camera, positioned to monitor her car and driveway. In the video, a figure emerges from the house, walks towards the camera, and flaps its arms in an unusual manner. The immediate question is, what exactly is this? Is it reminiscent of Dobby from Harry Potter, an actual extraterrestrial being, or simply a prank orchestrated by the woman's son using underwear as a head covering? While the latter might seem the most plausible explanation, this clip has garnered a significant number of believers, apparently including the woman who originally posted it. Interestingly, her 8-year-old son has reportedly denied any involvement in the peculiar performance. Number 7. UFO in Spain vanishes in seconds. This particular sighting near the vibrant party island of Ibiza garnered significant attention on social media. Tourists enjoying a peaceful evening on a cliff near the island of Esvedra were treated to an unusual celestial display, including a visible half-crescent moon. It was while attempting to photograph this moon that one tourist noticed a peculiar white, bright orb hanging stationary nearby. Alerting her friend, they both moved closer, hoping for a better view of the unidentified object. However, as they zoomed in to capture clearer footage, a startling event occurred. The orb abruptly zoomed to the right at an incredible, unprecedented speed, vanishing from sight in an instant. The sheer velocity with which it exited the camera's field of vision appeared truly otherworldly, seemingly beyond the capabilities of any known human-made aircraft. Consider the SpaceX Starship, the most powerful rocket ever built, which has a top speed of around 16,000 miles per hour. Achieving such rapid acceleration and momentum in a fraction of a second, as witnessed with the orb, would be an extraordinary feat even for such advanced technology. Furthermore, the fact that the bright orb remained motionless until the precise moment the tourist attempted to record it on camera suggests a possible awareness of being observed. This raises intriguing questions about the level of their technology. How advanced is it that they could seemingly detect and react to someone trying to film them from such a distance? Number 6. Houston Light Show. A video that surfaced from Houston, Texas, in 2020 captured strange lights in an unusual triangular formation, appearing to flash as they hovered over the city. While initial explanations ranged from drones and airplanes to even missiles, Kristen Meyer, the woman who filmed the incident, dismissed these possibilities. Despite appearing stationary in her footage, Meyer stated that the lights moved across the sky with considerable speed before seemingly vanishing. Interestingly, Houston has a history of UFO sightings, a fact often attributed to its close proximity to a major NASA space center. Number 5. UFO seen in Lancaster and Palmdale, California. This sighting occurred on August 16 in California, drawing significant attention on social media. These eerie events unfolded between the cities of Palmdale and Lancaster, situated north of Los Angeles and in close proximity to a U.S. Air Force base, leading many to speculate about potential U.S. military testing of advanced aircraft. Residents of Lancaster and Palmdale reported observing up to 6 UFOs in the night sky late on a Friday. Witnesses described these objects abruptly halting mid-air and then changing direction. Initially mistaken for shooting stars, the objects then began to move in a distinct zigzag pattern, strongly suggesting controlled maneuvering. Footage of one of the UFOs shows it initially appearing completely stationary, emitting lights similar to those atop a police car. Then, in a startling move, the object began to descend, causing alarm among observers. There were even unconfirmed reports of one of these UFOs landing further along the California coast, with authorities allegedly securing the area for investigation. However, no official announcements regarding these sightings have appeared in the news. This silence has fueled speculation. Is the US government and law enforcement attempting to conceal information from the public? Did these UFOs descend on their own accord, or were they potentially intercepted by the US military? It's worth noting that Palmdale has a history of unusual aerial activity. Back in 2022, residents reported witnessing over 100 unidentified lights in the night sky, some of which exhibited movement, ruling out a natural explanation. Theories at the time ranged from smaller UFOs emerging from a larger mothership to other unknown phenomena. The concentration of these sightings over Palmdale raises compelling questions about the area's potential significance for unexplained aerial activity. Number 4. Viva Las Vegas. In 2021, many people in the Las Vegas Valley reported seeing numerous lights moving across the evening sky. These lights, too many to be stars on what wasn't a perfectly clear night, moved with unusual speed. Similar sightings were reported across state lines in California. While local news anchors quickly suggested they were likely airplanes from nearby Nellis Air Force Base, their trajectory heading east towards Arizona and beyond contradicted this explanation. Some online commentators playfully suggested they might be extraterrestrial craft on their way back to Roswell, while others offered a more terrestrial explanation: Starlink satellites, known to appear as trains of bright lights moving across the night sky. Number 3. Metallic sphere seen at US Navy Air Show. This intriguing sighting occurred in May 2024, just 2 months after the black disc incident near LaGuardia Airport. On the bright morning of May 28, a well-attended Navy air show was underway in Long Island, featuring a performance by the Blue Angels, the U.S. Navy's renowned flight demonstration squadron. As spectators filmed the impressive fighter jet maneuvers, one sharp-eyed individual captured something truly inexplicable. In this particular witness's video, a Super Hornet jet can be seen flying from right to left. However, upon slowing down the footage, a shiny, metallic sphere becomes visible, rushing past the US Navy jet. The event happens with such speed that without careful observation, it could easily be mistaken for a mere insect flying across the camera's view. Metallic spheres of this nature are not unprecedented. They have been encountered in the past by US Navy pilots, Colombian commercial pilots, and even US military personnel in the Middle East. The fact that this UFO was only discernible upon slowing down the footage raises questions about its incredible speed, seemingly achieved without any visible means of propulsion known to human technology. Adding to the mystery is the commonality of these metallic sphere sightings near military installations. This proximity fuels speculation. Are these extraterrestrial entities closely monitoring our military technology? Are they assessing our capabilities to determine if we pose a potential threat before considering any form of contact? Number 2. USS Russell captures pyramid. Pyramids, in all their forms, hold a particular fascination for UFO enthusiasts, whether they're ancient structures on Earth or alleged aerial objects. These specific images were released by ufologist Jeremy Corbell and subsequently confirmed by the Pentagon as authentic footage of unidentified flying objects recorded by naval personnel. The US government's history of investigating UFOs includes instances where they've encountered phenomena defying conventional explanation, and these clips appear to fall into that category. The footage shows a distinct pyramid-shaped object pulsating in the sky, captured in a night vision video from a Navy destroyer, depicting a mysterious flying triangle hovering above the ship's deck. While skeptics have suggested the anomaly could simply be a plane, the official confirmation from the Pentagon lends significant weight to the unexplained nature of this sighting. Number 1. Green UFO seen in Tehran. This particular sighting reportedly occurred in May in Tehran, a city in Iran, and while many have dismissed it as computer-generated imagery, it remains officially undebunked. This encounter appears to be an exceptionally close UFO sighting, perhaps second only to the metallic sphere that flew past a commercial airliner in Colombia in 2023. What makes this sighting so remarkable is that the UFO, emitting bright green lights, allegedly hovered directly over the city at an altitude of just a few hundred meters. Such close-up and clear footage of a UFO is exceedingly rare. The sheer proximity of the craft can be estimated by its apparent size in the video, seemingly as large as a commercial airplane. Interestingly, this same green UFO was reportedly seen by multiple other individuals in the city, though at a higher altitude and moving at a similarly slow, deliberate pace. This leisurely movement contrasts sharply with the rapid departure often exhibited by other spotted UFOs, such as those seen in Ibiza, Spain. This raises questions. Why was this specific UFO hovering so slowly? Was it perhaps a highly advanced military aircraft being tested by the Iranian armed forces? From towering figures in the mist to unexplained lights in the sky, the universe still holds mysteries we can't explain. Whether these sightings are misunderstood phenomena or evidence of something more, one thing's for sure, we're not alone in our curiosity. Don't forget to like, comment with your thoughts or your own UFO stories, and subscribe for more strange space encounters and cosmic mysteries, only on Deep Space Diaries. Hit the bell icon to never miss what the universe is hiding next.